Welcome to Jaden's Toy Review! Hey guys, welcome back to Jaden's Toy Review. Now we will open this Siats Meekerorum. Make sure you subscribe to me.
Subscribe to you?
Oh.
Okay.
Now this one, the turbo toys, we already opened this last night.
Okay, now tell me about the other dinosaur.
Yeah. Let's check out the box. Is this still another Siats and another Turbosaurus? Now I will open it. Here it is, the Siats Meekerorum. Now let's taller this. Oh no, the Turbosaurus fall.
Okay.
Let's taller the Turbosaurus to the Siats. I think they're the same tower.
They're the same height.
Yep, press this button. Like this.
Wow, that's good.
The Siats Meekerorum, massive buyers. She has a long, short claws.
What? Say again? Long?
Short claws.
Wow, short claws.
This is Siats. You can scan this in the Jurassic World packs of codes. Same code.
Okay, all good? How's your toy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you say thank you?
Thank you, Momsy and Popsy, giving this toys. So, bye. I will see you again next time.
What's your next toy?
The Destroying, Devouring, Dominus Rex.
Okay.
Next. Goodbye.